Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to power off your MSI Thin A15. To power it off, you just need to. There are two ways, so if the first one is available, then use the first one by clicking on the start button, then power icon and click on shutdown. Then you'll need to wait for a second and it'll shut your laptop down. But if your laptop freezes and you need to shut it down for that reason, if it freezes, then you're not able to shut it down this way. So what you need to do is to press and hold on the power key until the keyboard backlight goes off. So let me show you that. Here is the power key. As I press and hold on it, after a certain moment, the screen will turn off, the keyboard backlight and the light on the power key. So if they all go off, then everything was done correctly and it's shut down. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.